Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. Are you facing trouble starting your car? In this video, we'll uncover the top 5 reasons why your car might not start. Stay tuned to learn how to troubleshoot those frustrating moments when your vehicle won't cooperate. Top 5 reasons your car won't start. Are you experiencing car trouble? A car that won't start can be frustrating and inconvenient. In this video, we will explore the top 5 usual reasons why your car may not start. Understanding these common issues can help you diagnose the problems more effectively, potentially saving you time and money on repairs. Let's delve into the common culprits behind a car that refuses to start. Signs of a dead battery. A dead car battery can be a frustrating and inconvenient roadblock. You may notice the dashboard lights flickering, the engine cranking slowly, or even no response at all when you turn the key. Another sign to look out for is dimming headlights, indicating that the battery is struggling to provide enough power. Solutions for a dead battery. If you suspect a dead battery, there are a few solutions to get your car up and running. Jump starting your vehicle with jumper cables and another vehicle can often provide a quick fix. Alternatively, using a portable jump starter can be a handy solution, especially if you're stranded with no other vehicles nearby. In the long term, replacing an old or failing battery is crucial to prevent future starting issues. Regularly checking and maintaining the battery's condition can also help avoid unexpected failures. Symptoms of a faulty starter. If you turn the key in the ignition and hear a clicking noise or the engine cranks very slowly without starting, these are common indicators of a faulty starter. Additionally, a grinding noise when starting the vehicle could also signal starter issues. Moreover, in some cases, a malfunctioning starter may cause the vehicle's electrical system to flicker or dim when attempting to start the car. Addressing a faulty starter. When experiencing symptoms of a faulty starter, it is crucial to seek professional assistance to diagnose and repair the issue promptly. Attempting to address starter problems without the necessary expertise can worsen the situation and result in additional costly damage to the vehicle. A certified mechanic will conduct a thorough inspection of the starter, wiring, and related components to identify the root cause of the problem. After pinpointing the issue, they will carry out the necessary repairs or replacement to ensure the smooth functioning of the starter system. Prompt attention to starter issues can prevent inconvenient and unexpected breakdowns, providing peace of mind for drivers. Fuel delivery issues. Fuel delivery issues are among the common causes of a car not starting. These issues can stem from various factors and may lead to frustrating experiences for car owners. Understanding the indications of fuel delivery issues and how to resolve them is crucial for maintaining a reliable and functional vehicle. Indications of fuel delivery issues. Difficulty starting the car, especially after it has been sitting for a while, can be a clear indication of fuel delivery issues. If the engine cranks but does not start, it may signal a lack of fuel reaching the engine. Sputtering or misfiring while driving, particularly at higher speeds, can be a symptom of inadequate fuel supply. This can manifest as a hesitation or jerking motion from the engine. A noticeable decrease in fuel efficiency, where the car covers fewer miles per gallon of fuel, may point to fuel delivery problems. This can manifest as frequent visits to the gas pump despite limited driving. Resolving fuel delivery issues. Resolving fuel delivery issues often involves diagnosing the root cause of the problem. It may require checking the fuel pump, fuel filter, and fuel injectors for any obstructions or malfunctions. Additionally, examining the fuel lines for leaks or blockages can help in identifying and resolving the issue. Regular maintenance, including fuel system cleaning and inspections, can prevent fuel delivery issues from causing inconvenience and potential safety hazards. If fuel delivery issues persist, consulting a qualified mechanic is advisable to address the problem comprehensively. Ignition switch problems. Signs of ignition switch problems. When your car's ignition switch starts to fail, you may encounter a range of symptoms that signal an issue. These signs include difficulty starting the car, intermittent power loss, or the engine stalling unexpectedly. You might also notice problems with the dashboard lights or accessories flickering when the ignition switch is turned on. Additionally, experiencing a situation where the key can be removed from the ignition when the car is not in the off position is a clear indication of potential ignition switch issues. Fixing ignition switch issues. If you suspect that your car's ignition switch is causing problems, it's essential to address the issue promptly. Ignition switch problems can be resolved by thoroughly inspecting and cleaning the switch to remove any debris or corrosion that may be affecting its performance. In some cases, the ignition switch may need to be replaced entirely to ensure seamless functionality and prevent further complications. Regular maintenance and inspection of the ignition switch can help prevent unexpected breakdowns and ensure the reliable operation of your vehicle. Engine problems. Engine problems can be frustrating and inconvenient, leaving you stranded without a working vehicle. Recognizing common engine issues and understanding how to troubleshoot them can help you address the problem swiftly and effectively. Recognizing engine problems. When your car's engine is experiencing issues, you may notice warning signs such as strange noises, rough idling, or reduced power. Unusual vibrations, decreased fuel efficiency, and illuminated dashboard warning lights are also indicators of potential engine problems. Additionally, a visible leakage of fluids under the car or the smell of burning oil or coolant could point to engine issues that require attention. Troubleshooting engine issues. To troubleshoot engine problems, start by checking the basic components such as the battery, fuel system, and ignition system. Ensure that the battery terminals are clean and securely connected, and inspect the fuel pump for any signs of malfunction. Additionally, examine the spark plugs and ignition coils for wear and tear that may be affecting the engine's performance. If the issue persists, consider seeking professional assistance to conduct a thorough diagnostic assessment. By remaining vigilant for signs of engine trouble and proactively addressing any issues, you can help prevent the inconvenience of a non-starting car and maintain the optimal performance of your vehicle. In conclusion, understanding the common reasons why your car won't start is crucial for every vehicle owner. By paying attention to the battery, fuel system, ignition switch, starter motor, and electrical connections, you can troubleshoot and resolve many starting issues on your own. Regular maintenance and quick action when you notice any symptoms can help prevent inconvenient and costly breakdowns. Keep these factors in mind to ensure your car starts reliably and keeps you on the move. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully, our breakdown of common car starting issues was helpful. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more useful automotive content here at Easy Driver. Thank you for watching.